Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you'll see, I ordered some more carbon fiber parts, the Jogon carbon fiber parts from Greg's Race Parts. Kudos to Greg and his team again for super fast shipping. Got here in a couple of days, just like all my other parts, sometimes overnight, which is wild. But I wanted to order the first batch a couple of days ago, see how they fit. They fit flawlessly, perfect as you see in my last video. So I ordered some more. This is the lower steering wheel cover that gets rid of that silver, the two side vents, and the center side vent. I also have the some of the door trims. So this is the door trim that goes underneath the speaker and all the way across the door, getting rid of all that silver again with the matte carbon fiber, as well as I guess we'll call it the door handle trim. That kind of completes the look on the doors. So let's pop these on. All right, so there you have it. All the pieces that I've been looking for are now officially mounted. So you'll see that I covered up the silver under here, the little carbon fiber right there. Hope you guys could see that. And everything fits absolutely perfectly. So again, kudos to Greg's Race Parts for stocking the Jogon carbon fiber parts. Here are the vents, the side vents. Sorry if the sun's getting in the way, guys. Then you got the middle vent as well. My little phone, magnetic phone holder. Carbon fiber pieces all the way down. The center console. And then on the steering wheel, you got the carbon fiber right there. Thinking about doing the top side of the steering wheel and then the surrounds around the buttons, but TBD, because I actually kind of like a little bit of that gloss black contrast. And then the opposite side with the carbon fiber trims. So there you have it. The dash cluster, also with the matte carbon fiber. So I've gotten rid of a lot of the silver, which is something that I wanted to do. And hope this helps everybody kind of make a decision on whether or not they think these parts will fit. They will. The only other thing that I may buy, I may not, is the roof panel carbon fiber stuff. But nobody really looks up, so I don't know if I want to pay 135 bucks for it. But nonetheless, parts fit perfectly. Hope this helps. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel. And comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys were on the fence, don't be. Go to Greg's Race Parts and feel free to order them up. Till next time.